Hi, my name is Alicia Shapiro. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer with AInews.com. I take care of everything from managing our email newsletter, maintaining our website. I produce all of the AI Alicia and AI Michael videos. And right now we've just started a new video series where we're interviewing top AI leaders and getting their perspectives on AI. And of course, social media. I manage the social media.
Michael Mazzata. I work in commercial real estate and I help clients in office environments. And almost 10 years ago, there was machine learning clients that I was helping find office space. And I said to myself, okay, this is going to change our lives. So I kind of went online and I said, what's really going to change? And I really looked at the news industry as being the key driver. So this is where I got myself into the whole AI news space.
Yeah, I think our core business is simply making the AI news, but AI in general, accessible to everybody. A lot of people don't have the time to go out and search for these articles, or maybe they just want to hear the headlines. And so our tagline in the AI Alicia and AI Michael videos is bringing AI to you. And that's really, I think, what we're trying to do at the core of everything, is making AI accessible for people and making it less scary and things like that. Yeah, the biggest challenge that we came across was simply using 4 different programs to do the same work that we get from AI Studios. So it's amazing. Yeah, it would take me 4 different programs and 2 to 3 hours to create one video. But Michael told me about AI Studios and I'm like, oh my gosh, yes, we have to use it.
Yeah.
And it was so innovative what you guys do with the AI avatars, and it was just a perfect fit. And now I can do a video from start to finish in under a half hour. So It's just really transformed my day, really. So when I go to do a video for our newsletter, what I start with is taking the top news story of the day.
Okay.
I copy the article, I go into ChatGPT, and I ask ChatGPT to summarize the article into a few key points, and then to please write a 45-second news script between an AI news anchor and an AI technical reporter. And it puts, it spits it out, and I might make a few changes, but it's really gotten pretty good. I don't really need to make too many edits anymore. And then I take the script and I go into AI Studios and I use our AI Alicia and AI Michael avatars, and I record the voice for AI Alicia, and then we use the avatar's voice for AI Michael. And it's really been kind of fun and cool because it's just like you'd see in the evening news, like the news anchor's throwing a story to the field reporter and back, and that's what it is. And now it's super exciting because we can have the 2 avatars on one screen and they can talk to each other. So that's been fun.
That is.
But yeah, that's really, it's pretty simple, but it needs to be that way, in my opinion, because like I said, I've been using 4 programs before, and now I can just go into one and get it all done.
Yeah, so people...
Mostly just the videos.
Okay.
That's been the main focus for us, but I am excited to try some of the other features out because they're very exciting as well. But I will say, I have a social media agency business on the side, and one of my clients saw AI Alicia video, and she's like, I have to have this.
Yeah.
And so now I'm able to use AI Studios for some other clients on the social media side.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah. Well, the first thing that comes to mind is just the time saving aspect, because like I said, I literally went to try to make a video without AI Studios and it would take me 2 to 3 hours. And now I can do it within a half hour.
Sure.
So that has been a game changer for me, is the time saving. But it's also easy to use. I didn't need to go watch another video on how to use it. I didn't need to read any articles on how to use it. It was pretty intuitive, which that's what I appreciate, because I'm also very busy and I don't have time to learn a whole lot of new stuff, so it's nice that it's already kind of easy to use out of the box. So just those, having the immense power behind these AI videos, and I can make them so quickly, is amazing.
Yeah, no.
Well, I will say that our AI Alicia and Michael videos, when we put them in the newsletter, it gets more clicks on it than any of the other news articles that we include.
Okay.
So people do find the videos engaging and informative, and I can tell a difference in our click-through rates.
Yeah.
You know, in our newsletter, it's definitely improves when we have an AI Alicia video in there. So that is huge for us because that tells me, you know, people are enjoying it and they're finding it engaging and informative. So that is the first thing. But then also when I put them on social media, we are getting way more likes on our social media posts when we do the videos than if we just posted an article. So I would say probably around 25% more.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a huge difference.
Yeah, that's a huge increase.
Yeah.
That's huge.
There's one startup in the coffee industry called Excelsa Coffee. They're seeing what we're doing. They instantly became a customer of you guys. You had a chance to meet them here in San Diego. So you have a real life testimonial. That's because of AInews.com.
Yeah.
Now he's going to be out branching to provide news in the coffee industry.
Yeah.
Do I see that going into other branches of other industries? Yes.
Yeah.
It's just they need to know more about you guys, that this is actually available and affordable.
Yeah.
You're not hiring anybody with health insurance, no nothing. That doesn't have to wake up. It just can be done in under 30 minutes.
Yeah.
It's phenomenal.
Yeah. Amazing.
Eventually, I would like AI Alicia and AI Michael to do the entire newscast, just like the regular news that you would watch on TV. So instead of doing just one story per newsletter, eventually we won't have any links, and it'll just be the video of AI Alicia and AI Michael reading the news for the day.
Yeah.
And I feel like that in itself is a huge accomplishment because no one is even thinking like that right now. I mean, everybody else who has all these AI newsletters, there's hundreds of these AI newsletters, but they're just adding links and tools and here's our sponsors, go buy from them, and that's it, you know. But we're not really looking to make a whole lot of money on our email newsletter. We're looking to develop the news company and be more like a real news company, only with AI avatars.
Yeah.
And so I know that AI Studios is going to be really important to us in the future. So no, it's going to be part of how we produce our news.
Wow.
Well, the technology in general.
Sure.
Because you can have a very human-looking like avatar read the news, and you can have a human-like voice, you know. So it's, you know, there's some avatars, I suppose, that are a little bit more robotic, but I like how AI Studios is very natural. They look like they're human. They sound like they're human. And so just to have facial expressions and the mouth seem to be moving at the right time, it blows me away. It's amazing to me how far technology has come. And it's just amazing because I know people are hesitant about AI, but when you can make it look and sound like humans, it's a little bit more approachable, a little bit more accessible. Oh, of course, for sure. Simply if they want to level up their video game, because the AI videos that we are able to produce are professional quality videos. They don't look AI, they look real, they sound real. And so any company that's looking to level up their video production should definitely incorporate AI Studios into their strategy for sure. Oh, of course. Because of AI Studios and our AI Alicia and AI Michael videos, we've been able to connect with a few organizations that are huge in the AI industry. The first being Mark Cuban Foundation. We've been talking with Cassandra there, and we're promoting their AI boot camp for students, which is a really innovative program because it teaches high school students everything they need to know about AI, what's happening in AI, the future of AI, how to get work skills to be, to find AI jobs. It's incredible what he's doing. No one else is doing that. And we're in talks with Cassandra to interview her as part of our AI videos that we're doing with the AI leaders. So that was one area that we have lined up. Another is Jennifer with the NFL. She is we're working on getting approval and everything, but she created a digital AI athlete to help player safety.
Yeah.
And it's innovative because, I mean, you know how many concussions there are in the NFL and things like that. So they're trying to come up with solutions using AI to help player safety. So we will be interviewing her, hopefully. And then we just interviewed Wes Cummins from Applied Digital, and he's working on a digital infrastructure that will sustainably support the energy needs of all of these AI programs. So, there's talks of getting these expensive, huge AI computing chips and GPUs that'll be able to power these AI programs. And I've even heard they're talking about getting nuclear power to get all this done. Well, he's found a solution using wind.
Yeah.
And it's amazing, and it's effective, and it's cheaper, and it's sustainable for the environment. So we got to talk to him last week, and it was real exciting to see what he's done. So because of AI Studios and our AI Alicia and Michael videos, we've been able to make those connections, and we wouldn't have been able to do that had we not had the AI Studios.
Wow, awesome.